Hello my dear friends, welcome to my healthy kitchen. My name is Olga and today I will show you amazing recipe of healthy chocolate drizzles. We will make today amazing made from scratch from the most wholesome ingredients chocolate ganache. And also I will show you how to make it really beautiful, really professional, how to make these drizzles that do not drop down to your board. So let's get started. We're going to make our chocolate drizzles by using our own recipe. So usually you may find the recipes when you should buy a store-bought chocolate, add some like butter for regular non-vegan drizzles, and you will get a great result. Vegan recipes also can mention store-bought chocolate, vegan chocolate. Now, we are not going to use anything from the store because most likely all that chocolate has refined sugars, and it's not our style. We need everything 100% natural, and we have very simple ingredient and so confident ingredients for you if you made any of my previous videos. We're going to use maple syrup or agave nectar for this recipe as a sweetener. Of course, raw cacao powder, it will give us amazing dark color and best flavor ever. Coconut oil will make our drizzles shiny. A little bit of vanilla and a pinch of salt, pinch of really fine salt. If you have granulated salt, it's better to avoid this ingredient at all. And very important ingredient for our drizzles is cacao butter. Here is it, we have it in solid pieces, and now we need to melt it using a double boiler method. I have a separate video how to work with cacao butter and coconut oil. You can watch it here. That is all. So ingredients are very simple. Now we need to mix everything. To be more successful with this recipe, I highly recommend you to use a thermometer. So I will give you exact temperature for our mixture, chocolate mixture, and for our cake to get beautiful drizzles on our cake. Now we mix everything while our cacao butter will be melting. First I'm adding our sweetener, coconut oil, and vanilla extract. Let's mix everything. Now, step by step, let's add our cacao powder, and we need to sift it. At the end, we can add a pinch of salt. So here you are our mixture. We don't have pieces of cacao powder. This was a reason why we needed to sift it. And we can add our cacao butter. Also, I'm doing it into a few steps. And slowly incorporate cacao butter into our mixture. So here you are. This is our chocolate mixture for making beautiful, healthy, plant-based and soy-free and any shortening and store-bought vegan butter drizzles. Here you are. Shiny, beautiful, amazing texture. Great. We're going to pour everything into a piping bag. The best formula, the best temperature formula for making beautiful drizzles is when your cake has a temperature 40-45 Fahrenheit and when your chocolate ganache has a temperature of 78-80 Fahrenheit. And that is all. Now we can do everything. So I checked my temperature. So this one has 45 right now Fahrenheit and this mixture has 78 Fahrenheit. Let's get started. You may see it's quite runny, but it's totally okay. So here you are, and we pour a little bit here. And we are making one layer with a spatula. Here you go. So you see, it was super easy to do if you know the correct temperature of the cake and of our ganache that we made by ourselves. And the best drizzles is when these drizzles do not reach the bottom of your cake. You may see that I have this one, it reached, so it means that I pour more ganache than I needed. But this one stopped just a few millimeters before our board. So this is what we need to achieve. And that is all. Now you can chill it for a little bit into refrigerator, I would say like 15 minutes, and then you can decorate it. If you start putting fruits, for example, right now, most likely your drizzles will go down even more because you will be pushing our ganache. I hope you like it. You may find the recipe of this cake via this link. I have a full recipe, and if you make this cake or just drizzles, just tag me and I would love to see your creations. And see you soon into the next video.